Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox this iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this I bought from Apple official website. So let me just open it up. So here, this one. Just and the second one over here. So now I'm going to open this. So here is this phone. Okay. So this comes with the phone. They have given it over here. This is the catalog. Okay, for the iPhone. They have given a pin over here. So this one I keep it aside. Nothing else inside. And this is the cord for the charger. So as you all know, you have to buy the charger separately. Okay, that's it. So now we are going to start this phone. Okay, so it comes here. You can see. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to start this. It's a power button. So here it says hello in 2 different languages. Oh, 3. There's a lot, man. Hola as well. So now we'll select the language. It's English, it's UK. Select the region. So it asks for the quick setup. So start up manually. Oh, we need a network over here. So we'll go back. So we need a Wi-Fi to connect it over here. Okay. So let me get the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now we have connected it to the Wi-Fi. It is telling it will take a few minutes. Okay, data and privacy. So we go it. Face ID. So I will set it up later. So create a password. Okay, so we'll set it 654321. Okay, this password can be easily guessed. Okay, change password. So I will set it up 115599. Oh, 115599. Okay, so cloud backup. Okay, so this site only now. Restore from cloud. Okay, so they are asking for the Apple ID. So now you have to enter the Apple ID as well. So I'll enter my Apple ID. Okay, so now I've set everything. So now I'll agree. It may take a few minutes. Okay, so agree. so it's telling take few time to set up the Apple ID. Let me pause here. Okay, so now we'll continue this. Location services, disable location services, keep it enabled for now. Okay, transfer from nearby iPhone, use QR code, setup mobile services, setup later. Skip setup, skip later. Don't use iCloud chain. So this don't use Siri, setup later. The screen time, setup later. Analytics, don't share. So this is the appearance, light, dark. So I prefer the light one. Display zoom, zoomed, standard. Okay, car detection. Okay, this is good. Press and hold emergency SOS. This one, car detection. Okay, so welcome to iPhone. Okay, so here. Oh, set up mobile services. Not now. So this phone comes with 6 GB RAM. With this one is I think this one I bought it for 256 GB internal storage. So allow once. Okay, so setup later. So this is the camera quality. It comes with a 48 megapixel camera. Okay, and the front megapixel camera is, I think it's 12. It's 12 megapixel camera. As you can see, this one. So this is the everything, apps that I installed already in the phone. So it comes with the gyroscope as well. Accelerometer is there inbuilt. So this is very good phone from the, sorry for the interruption. So this is good phone from the Apple. Okay, you can see the apps. So this is going back. Okay, so hope you'll like the video. I'll share further updates if any. It doesn't come with a stereo, the 3.5 mm jack thing is there. So here you have to insert the SIM. It's over here. What did we got? So this part you have to install the SIM. Okay, so this is a 5G phone, as you all know. Comes with 3 camera. Okay, so hope you guys like the video. Please do share if you like it, and have a good day. Thank you.